How to become an expert on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to become an expert on Vimeo on PC easily and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Vimeo, this is the home page. Now go here and go down to Vimeo experts. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now click on agree and click on upgrade to enroll. And here, as you can see, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is upgrade to plus to enroll in experts. And now here, add your payment details and you will pay only $12 per month, as you can see. And click complete and you will become one of the experts here on Vimeo. So easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.